Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. So first things first, head over to your settings and scroll down, go to general and iPhone storage. Once you're here, what you have to do is you have to search for TikTok. And as you can see, TikTok is over here. Now what you have to do is offload the app. After you offload the app, what it'll do is it'll clear out all the cache that's unnecessary things, and once it's done, then you can again download TikTok, like you can again start TikTok and log into your account, and your problem will be solved. If that thing doesn't get solved, what you can do, you can head over to App Store and check for updates. If there is any update available, then you have to install it, and after you update your TikTok app, then the problem will be solved. So these are the two methods by which you can solve the Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. So once you open TikTok, you go to the settings profile over here, edit profile and add bio or add links and Instagram. See, as you can see, I have this added over here. So this is the way that you can solve this problem and issue. So yeah, that was the video, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and please comment down below if you have any doubts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.